That is amazing. There you go, McDonald's. Stick that in your pipe. We are going to be making a McDonald's on the beach. How does that sound?
Good.
And your favourite thing is a Fillet-O-Fish.
Yes.
Myself and Dougie's older brother, Ashton, went out yesterday and caught a fish. We caught a mackerel. We're going to try and recreate the Fillet-O-Fish on the beach. As always, this is off the cuff. I'll roll the tape now of us catching the mackerel while I set up camp.
Just setting up all of our ingredients. He's got the fire going with a pot on it with some oil so we can start getting that nice and hot for us to fry our fish.
We are going to pane these. I stripped off some fillets. Me and Doug did it earlier on, so he was having a play about, so they're not the best, but they're kind of the strips we're getting. They're the two with the skin left on, but we also had a go at taking the skin off some as well. So we have got quite a few bits in there. And to pane them, you're gonna have to, I am gonna have to, flour, egg and breadcrumbs, and then they're ready to go in. I've also got some sliced chicken here that we had left over from last night's dinner. We've got time, we're gonna make some chicken nuggets out of them. So yeah, I'll show you how I do one, and then the next shot you'll see will be ready made. Get the fish and you flour. This is seasoned flour, it's got a little bit of salt and pepper in it. You strain your egg, like so, and then in your breadcrumbs, like that. And then now go into the hot oil and crisp up.
In flour.
Yep.
In egg.
That's it.
And in that.
That's it, well done. And pop that on the tray here, look. And then you can do the rest. Yeah? That's it, in the flour. And the egg, all over. That's the way. Well done. So to tell the oil is cooked, all you need to do is drop a breadcrumb in it, and if it starts fizzing like that, see, it's ready to go. So we'll start getting them in a second. And there. Doing the chips might be a bit of a challenge, purely because I didn't bring a knife. But
So what have we got?
We have got a scraper, fries.
It's amazing!
Can I try some raw fries?
Raw potato?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to.
If you want. So I'm just going to try raw potato.
It doesn't taste like anything.
No. Bit watery.
Oh, that fish is looking done. You know what else I forgot? Something to take them out of the oil with.
I was just going to say, have you got some tongs?
No. Improvisation again. We have... They ain't gone here. Hang on a minute, mate. I'm just trying to get this fish out with a hammer. Just washing these chips in a natural spring there, coming down, just because I kicked the table over and they landed in the sand, basically. I think they're going to be harder to get out one by one with the hammer than the fish goujons were, but we'll see. Right, let's get the buns set up.
We've got to go in our buns. What have we got?
Lettuce. We've got mayo because Doug's not too keen on tartar sauce, and some cheese. I did want to make our own mayonnaise down here because we had some nice duck eggs at home. I was like, oh, I can make mayonnaise, but we thought it'd be a bit too much, and to be fair, it probably would have been. There's really nice, crumbly, mature cheese.
They look incredible.
Mm-hmm. On the way here, we stopped off at a local takeaway, Timothy Grill. Cheers, Timothy Grill. And got a burger box just so we could see what it looked like in the burger box. And do you know what else I got for you, Dougie?
What?
What I made for you.
What?
Ready? This is a true McDougles. So Doug is working in McDougles. He's got 5 gold starfish. They're not the stars, they're starfish, gold starfish. I'm going to stick that on him. There you go.
Ooh, some
Now he's a McDonald's worker. McDougles worker, sorry.
Yes. Filet-O-Fish and fries, sir?
Oh, thank you very much. That's amazing. Did you make this yourself, sir?
Yes.
Wow. Those chips are phenomenal. Can I have a bite of the burger? Yeah? That is amazing. The fact that we caught it ourselves, cooked it on the beach, and turned it into this mayo-y, cheesy, bready, fishy burger. I've never really had a fillet-o-fish before, so this is my first fillet-o-fish, and I don't want any other one. So you can now tell me whether it's as good as fillet-o-fish that you have at McDonald's.
Okay.
Ready? 2, 3, bite.
It tastes like heaven.
It tastes like...
Tastes like heaven.
That's great. If that's what a fillet-o-fish tastes like, then I will like a fillet-o-fish. But you have to tell me.
Back from heaven.
You're back from heaven now, are you? Doug's back from heaven. McDonald's...
Doesn't taste like a fillet fish. It tastes a million times better.
There you go, McDonald's. Stick that in your pipe. I've only been McDonald's in for like 20 minutes, and I've already just absolutely smashed it out of the park. Or we've smashed it out of the park.
That is so good.
Yeah? Oh, look what someone else has found. We can now turn around that way and look at the sea. So, we're going to enjoy this fillet-o-fish. And we've got our chicken. I might cook some nuggets, but we'll see.
I'm sorry, I don't think there's going to be any of this left for you, Dad.
Well, I'm going to cook the nuggets then. They didn't save me any of the fillet fishes, so I got nuggets. New best nuggets. This is an after-school little adventure, isn't it? So we do need to get back in a minute. But what a thing to do after school. Come out and have a McDonald's on the beach. But a decent one. If you want any of the recipes or anything, just give us a message. We're going to put the email in the YouTube bio, so you can email us direct for anything that we do. And yeah, we will see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.